Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday. I already started putting my mask on because I've got a lot to talk about today. This mask is fitting so nicely. I'm having to struggle with it. It's not the mask, it's me. See, look at how it's like you can't even tell I have it on down here. But I have to fit it properly. So I wanted to talk to you about a lot of different things. I wanted, of course, to wish you a happy Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. I'll tell you about the mask in a minute. I wanted to see how your weather is. I know a lot of people had some bad weather going on. I mean, ay. And the whole, the country, I don't, there's bad and there's good. I guess that's how spring is, sort of volatile a little bit, I guess. I mean, it usually is here. It's been 13 years since the tornado hit my house, so, and it was at this time, so, yeah. Anyway, everything is good now here for me. It's quiet. It's been a quiet time right now, so that's good weather-wise. And what else do I got? I got so many things to talk about, okay? I do want to mention, I know that y'all, if y'all don't want to hear about this, I'll just go quickly. Rakuten is having a special. If you join Rakuten, you get $30 right away when you spend $30 within 90 days. All right, I shouldn't say right away, within 90 days. But if you join today and shop today, then you'll get $30. Except that right now, for a very short time, they don't tell us how long, you'll get $40. $40. You have to spend $40 and you'll get $40. This fits so nice. And then I'll get $40 if you sign up under me. There are many people that use Rakuten and have links. And once you join up to Rakuten, you will then have a link yourself that you can share with your family and friends. So it's really nice. Some of y'all have signed up under me and I appreciate it very much. Yeah, it's nice to get that money. And then I use it when I shop online mostly. You can use it at stores, but I forget. So I use it Walmart online. I use it for Ulta and Sephora and so many, there's so many places, so many things. This is a little curled under here, my fault. This mask, let me tell you about it. I was trying to remember where I got it. It's all wet right now, but it's Fascia. This came in a set of 3. There's a yellow and a green and an orange. This one is the blood orange. It doesn't have any scent, but I love blood oranges. And it says Blood Orange Repair and Replenish Mask. And this is one of those masks that has a, it's, because it is so thin like this, it's on this. And what you're supposed to do is put this on your face, get it all lined up, and then pull this off. Well, I never can do that properly, so I didn't do it that way. I just pulled this off of here and started putting it on. So there, it feels really good because it's staying on. And when you first pick it up, it looks like there's no place for your mouth, but because it's just a slit. But I really like this mask. I have given some of these away. I think I got it in Boxy. I either got it in Boxycharm, like the Mega Drop Shop, Ipsy, or I got it from Fab Fit Fun. And the dryer's going, so I hope that it's not bothering y'all. So, of course, I want to tell you, also, I did mention, I think in Friday Night Gab, I also use an app called Fetch. And it's where you scan receipts and you make points, and then the points you can cash in for gift cards. Well, I got a gift card for Stitch Fix for $50. So I just want to tell you all that because that's $50 free dollars. Just because I've, scan my receipts and play some games on there. And I'm not a big gamer, but there's some cute little games on there. So, and it's not like, oh, I don't want to say anything ugly about any other games, but it's not like we're, that one company that we all buy from, Orange, that the Orange company that you have to get whatever points and then you can't ever finish. That's what happened to me with those. I don't have the persistence for that. These are easy games. Anyway, let's move on. All right, so my Temu Spring Fling is going on. It's going on for, it'll go on through, oh my goodness, it's going to be May. How is this possible? This is the end of April. I don't know how time flies. So it's going to be ending on Saturday. And it's so much fun. It's all different kinds of Temu stuff we got. And y'all, when all of us channels do collabs, I know the ones that I've been in, we don't say, hey, I'm going to get this and that and the other, so you get this, that, and the other. No, we don't talk like that. Like the Dollar Tree train and stuff like that, we don't do that. We all get what we want to get, and then we show you, and it's just so cool that a lot of times it's different things. Now, sometimes we do end up with the same things, and that's fun too. It's just, you know, we have things in common. So, but on the Temu Spring Fling, there's really not much that is the same, except that some of us have clothes, but I'm plus size. Like Sue has some clothes and she's not plus size. So, you know, it's different clothes. So, and I have other things besides clothes. And it's just been a lot of fun, and you all seem to really like it. So go see all of us. I'll put the playlist in this video below. And in that collab is Reviews with Sue and Carol Gardner, Jesse Miller Unboxings and More, Nona's Here, Miss Jackie Russell, Favorites with Laura, Tea Time Adventures, and me. So there's 8 channels, and it's ending on Saturday. And y'all, I went shopping to the Dollar General Market. That's what I have by me, is a Dollar General Market. So they have groceries, and I run in there for milk because their milk is much less expensive than the grocery store. And I live in a small town, and we don't have much around here. So I run in there and get that, and then I'll pick up some bananas and things. Well, I was looking in one area that I hardly ever look in, and there was this whole wall of $1 items, food items. Now, you know, $1, it's less than in the Dollar Tree. It wasn't $1.25, they're $1 items. So I'm like, well, let's see what's here. And it was all snacks. So they had like different cans of drinks and stuff, you know, like some of those drinks that are energy drinks. I don't like all that. But it made me think of the collab that Miss Faye Blatcher is doing. She's running. It is called the Delicious, Delightful, and Delectable Snack collab. And I believe there's 11 channels in that collab. And again, like us, you know, they are all doing giveaways. So how much fun is that, y'all? If you haven't seen that yet, go check it out. Faye Blatcher is the hostess. And then Tracy and Chloe Unboxings and More. Unboxings, Beauty, and More, I think is her channel name. They're in it, and Tracy does all the artwork for that, which is really cool. And All Things Arlene, Lori Latimer, and then there's so many channels. There's some of them are new to me, so that's fun to check out some new channels too. So go check them out, and I'll put Faye. The ones that I mentioned, I'll tag them, and then y'all can go look at their playlist. They have a playlist also, and they'll be in their in their descriptions. Sorry, I'm trying to go too fast here. And Blue just jumped up here. So I just wanted to show you some of the snacks that I got because I can't believe they were $1. And let's see, I did, this is Herr's brand, HERR''S. They have great, like what I would call like bar snacks, you know, like mixed kind of things, mixed medley kind of things, and different flavored chips and stuff like that. I only heard of this company a few years ago, but their snacks are really good. And this just sounded good to me. It's fire roasted sweet corn popcorn. So I love popcorn. I could eat popcorn all the time. So this is a 1 bag, calories 230, and the whole bag, you can have this whole bag for your snack. So that I thought was really good for $1. And then they had Chester's brand of puffed corn, and these are cheese puffed corn, and this one is now this one says there's 2 servings, so 160 calories, so 2 servings, and that's 2 1/8 ounce. This one was 1.5 ounce. Okay, so they're almost the same size bag, but I love these puffy corn things. And then we had, this brand has been around forever. This is Andy Caps, and it says taste the oven baked crunch. These are cheddar fries, flavored corn and potato snack. I haven't had these in forever, and I see mostly at the store, I see these hot fries. You might tell by that label, you probably see them too. But I haven't had these, gosh, since I was a kid. So I thought, $1, I'll get it. This is 140 calories. Oh, this one says three servings. This is heavy though. So, and then this one is, this one you see a fancy, expensive. This one's expensive at all the good grocery stores. This is Boom Chicka Boom. Boom Chicka Pop. Boom, not Boom Chicka Boom. Boom Chicka Pop. It's sweet and salty kettle corn. It's 70 calories per cup. It says there's 2 servings in here, 140 calories. So I guess there's 4 cups in here is what it's saying. 2 1/4 ounces. Did I tell you the Andy Caps was 3 ounces? Boy, that feels heavy. It feels like a lot more than 3 ounces. So this is one there. Some of these are gluten-free and stuff, which I thought was really cool. This one has 0 trans fats. So gluten-free. So we've got some healthy snacks, okay? And then Faye, are you there? Faye's very favorite candy, chocolate candy, is Butterfinger. And I can't, yeah, I am a sugaraholic, y'all. I have to be very careful because I eat too much candy. So, but Butterfingers is one of my favorites. And can I say it's my favorite? Yeah, right now it's my favorite. But sometimes I change. I like Reese's Peanut Butter Cup is my favorite. I switch back and forth because I love too many. So, Faye, I got some Butterfingers. These are her favorites. So go check out her video. And when you go watch her video, then like I said, her playlist will be in there. And you'll see All Things Arlene and Lori Latimer and Tracy and Chloe's Unboxings Beauty and more. And there are 7, I believe, other channels. So go check them out, y'all. It'll be a lot of fun. And I think that's about it for today, y'all. I hope that y'all are had a great weekend and are fixing to have a fabulous week. I'm talking very Southern right there. And we're going to be, it's very warm. Well, I don't want to get carried away. It's not hot here yet. Air conditioning's on. My air conditioning's on. So it's going to be in the 50s and 60s overnight now. And it's going to be in the 80s, 70s and 80s, which is nice. But very, very soon, in a minute from now, it'll be in the 90s until October. So I'm trying to treasure these days as we have them. So y'all take care and count your blessings. I'm going to leave this on. I didn't even tell you anything much about the mask. It does say 15 to 20 minutes, and I've had it on for a little over 10 minutes, so I'm going to leave it on. I just love... I don't know where I don't think I've ever had this before I got it from Boxy, but I've had it a few times from Boxy. I think Boxy it comes in a box of 3. Like I said, there's a yellow and the green. I don't think it's Fab Fit Fun, but it could be. So I probably paid like $3.99 for them, maybe $2.99. So about $1 a piece, and it fits so well. And you see how thin it is. It's nice. So y'all take care and count your blessings. Do something to take care of yourself today, y'all, okay? And take care. Bye-bye, y'all. Good to see you.